attack. Attack, attack. What them a go do ya now? No link on the attack now. Attack. Bling a old trendsetter. No link. Attack.
Video.
And this is we make jail look like blood clot, one clean like whistle, shine like Billy King, shit that one from pussy. And this is we are modern bad man with modern badness. Your finger never shaky yet. Clot clean like whistle, but I'm new.
First I put on this guy.
Oh, you mean? Yeah, I'm thinking that I put on brand new. No repeat. We not repeat.
Repeat and report when turn about. Repeat, jump out left. Oh.
Report, come back and I inform of that. And we have got bomb hockey marshal. We no partial.
So yeah, that's the fucking thing. No, don't tell me.
Yeah, viewers, yeah, subscriber. So as you see that clip there, right? And everybody is supposed to just see that clip before when Ninja Man and him go viral. You understand? But New Link just post it up back on my channel because me never post it before. So now we just post it. And recently viewers and subscribers, right? We see where some police officers from one of the big stations them in a Kingston make a report and say, cause the government, you know, them launch this research, right, where them are do with these things, and I say how these devices reach into these prison cells. You understand? So them are do some serious investigation. While them are conduct the investigation, few of the police them make report and said them are get serious threat from man in a prison about these phone and them thing there. Cause what one of the police officers say is him there him house, him home, and him receive a phone call. And when him receive that phone call, is an inmate on the phone. I give him serious threat, viewers and subscribers. You get what me I say? So the thing is now, when you link one officer is, don't them have warders at the prison them, right? Don't them search food, them search most product. You understand? Before them enter in the prison. So how them reach in there? Zine, look into it, man. Viewers and sub. You see, this thing is a hustling thing. A New Link production, I tell you this. It's just a hustling thing. And enough people make because of money, them sell out. You understand? So sometimes they will do things for money and I just decide there. But viewers and subscribers, right? Since week, this made the second video go viral from prison or behind the bars. Because remember, you know, we see a video where surfaced the net the other day with the old man who kill him wife, if him woman, him and him two daughter. Then we see this video now drop with Ninja Man on it. So how it look now? Either come like say in a prison, there's life. You get what me I say? Because the man them a do the crime, them a kill people, and still in at the end, them can go to prison, make phone call, make video call, talk to who they want to talk to. And any local things them are going on the road, them still have connection for do it because once them have the phone can communicate, them can do it same way. So when the police say him get checked, of course, maybe him get the check and him have to be worried because him don't know say from a phone call reach to him, just imagine who else he can reach to. Well, viewers and subscribers, as me I break down this and me I go in the topic, right? Alright, let me jump back to Ninja Man. All of the fans them on my channel supposed to know say New Link is a youth who rate Ninja Man and respect Ninja Man before him even get incarcerated, because me always say Ninja Man is the godfather and I'm my godfather. But Ninja Man, on a real level and a real point of scale, 100%, New Link Production rate the video. Zine, I'm happy if you know say you're good. You're in there, you're all of vibes, you're all of joy. But the message I was sending out there, it's not a good message. On a real level. We know say you're there behind the bars, the government let you down to how you feel, because at the end, when they did keep the charity and the government, they said they're by your side with one umbrella and the whole of their movements there. But Ninja, think on a wider scale of how much you did it. Zine, either come right now when the youth them see this video like this now, and I go here say prison. You understand? You're a bad man same way, and your clocks such you know repeat clocks and clean like whistle and you smoke your weed and 10 things there. Them we gotta do things, viewers and sub. Just listen to any link I say. This will drive them to push for do things, because in the end them can't think say, but we got a prison, we are gonna live clean, same way, we are gonna live nice, same way, we are gonna, you get what me I say? So upon a real, me now this Ninja or me a bad, but me I say the words when put out in that video there, it's not really a good word for surface to the youth them and to the crime rate around Jamaica right now. But as me said before, and me I gonna say again, me happy, him good. Zine, me happy say, him nice, because I remember, you know, before he even did get sentenced for life in a prison. Remember saying, you know, him did take sick in the courtroom. So if you know, we see him in this positive and this uplift condition.
And New Links are telling my crossbone guns are scully. I true triplex blacks are represent. No, me tell you this, man. When I like New Links, not like bad man niggas and fucked up cool tiggers. New Links bad man, them no fuck for pull chiggers. Bad man niggas who won't not be a New Links. Let's play this again. True triplex blacks out represent for New Links. Wally.